Hi, I'm Alexandra Fegan-Reid.
And I'm Colin Chamberlain.
Today we're going to quickly run through research and development tax incentives, also known as R&D, and how small and medium-sized companies can benefit from an additional 130% tax relief on certain expenditure.
A separate R&D credit scheme is available for larger companies, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So what is R&D? You'd be surprised at the variety of projects which may qualify. Essentially, a company needs to be engaged in a project which seeks to achieve an advance of some sort in a particular field of science or technology.
In addition, a company needs to demonstrate that the advancement they make is not readily deducible by a competent professional in that particular field.
In practice, there are a very broad range of activities that can often qualify.
These are employee costs, payments to staff providers, materials, power, water and fuel used within the R&D process, computer software, subcontracted R&D expenditure, and payments made to volunteers of clinical trials.
Small and medium-sized companies engaged in R&D are eligible to claim an additional 130% tax relief on all qualifying expenditure. This means that a total of 230% of qualifying expenditure is eligible for tax relief.
For example, if a company spends £50,000 on R&D expenditure, the R&D tax relief gives an additional £65,000 deductible from the company's taxable profits. This equates to an overall reduction in the company's tax bill of £23,000, and the relief is claimed on the company tax return.
Loss-making companies are unlikely to be paying corporation tax, so on the face of it, it may appear that additional deductible expenditure would be fairly useless to those companies. But HMRC allow loss-making companies to surrender the losses attributable to R&D expenditure for a payable tax credit of 14.5% of the uplifted expenditure.
Big savings that can make a real difference. So what qualifies as an SME company?
An SME is a company with no more than 500 employees and either a turnover of no more than 100 million euros or a balance sheet value of no more than 86 million euros.
So if your business is an eligible SME and you think that you've been engaged in R&D activities, then please get in touch with us today.
Thanks for watching.